Hey, welcome to Easy Computer Fixes, and today we will actually show you a little bit of information that is very useful in understanding if an internet problem is caused by the fact that your network card doesn't receive all the information necessary. Now, when you connect to the internet, you have actually two things that happen. Two information that are really important that will show up on all network cards installed in Windows. And basically that information is mostly information about the IP address that your computer has been assigned and the DNS servers. DNS is basically the address where your web browser will find, for example, all the websites it needs to find. So how do you get that information? If you don't have internet, but you see that your icon is saying that it's connected, or maybe there's a little yellow triangle on your connection, you don't understand exactly why. What you can do, in Windows 7 and Windows Vista, you can go down and click on your connection and go into Open Network and Sharing Center. Now at the top here it tells me visually that I have internet access available with the computer ABC PC into the router, which has my name, Création Tube, and then into internet. So it tells you the links are there. But if you want to have the full information of what information you have here and is it really working, you can go just below here next to the little house with your network name. You can go into wireless network connection, or if you're wired, you'll see a wired connection. Click there and you'll see this little panel show up that's going to give you basically the information of the speed of your connection, where you're connected, if internet is there or not. And you can go especially into the details and check out the information in the details. And what you want to see and what you want to make sure is that first of all that you have a valid IP address. So for example here it says the IPv4 address of 192.168.0.105. Basically that's my network IP address that my router will assign, and it's going to give you also the details of your IPv4 gateway. And here in DNS servers, two types of DNS are going to show up. Either your router's own address, like here on 192.168.0.1, or something else that's dependent on your ISP, your Internet Service Provider. So you want to make sure that all the information is there. If that panel looks normal, looks with a valid IP, then the internet problem might be somewhere else, either very far away at your ISP or in your Windows computer. Something's wrong. A virus is preventing the connection to go well. One word of caution: if in the IP address you see something like 254 dot something, that is not a valid IP address. So if your IP starts by 254, forget it. Something's wrong with the connection itself. Now I've seen wrong Wi-Fi passwords give that information, that weird IP address at 254. I've also seen a case where, for example, your router's DHCP, which gives out the address, was saturated, meaning that it can only give 20 address, and you had like 20, this was the 21st computer that was plugged, so it couldn't give any more addresses. It can also mean that something's wrong in the communication between your router, your internal network card, and your computer. So make sure that you check that when you have some problems with your internet, because having a wrong IP means that your computer, or no IP at all and no DNS, means your computer is not really plugged into the internet. So you have to go step by step after that. So this is a little video about understanding where to look for the IP address and DNS servers in your computer. In Windows XP, you can have the same panel. You'll have to go into the control panel and click on your network icon. And there you'll be able to see your network card. Just right click on it and go into properties. And you'll come into this panel that shows the same type of information also. So if you enjoyed these little videos helping you understand a little more on how to fix problems with your computers, click the subscribe button and you'll be informed when new videos online. If you have any comments or questions on what you've seen, let us know. And of course, if you have a problem of your own and you want to ask, just send away a private message. Explain in details what type of problem you have and we'll try to put a solution online. On video, you'll be helping yourself, but you'll also be helping others. So thanks for watching. I hope you come back to Easy Computer Fixes. Bye-bye.